Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is King GK and the question of today is will NAS 100 hit 12,000 guys. So with no further ado guys, let's jump into the charts. So what I did show you guys yesterday is that price was basically in this descending corrective formation as you guys could see. But as you guys can see, price starting to create this ascending corrective formation, and that's also a sign for us that there's a lack of intent into the market to continue to the upside, and price was also unable to break this lower high right there, and price did eventually giving us this strong 4 hour impulsive candle that basically showing us we're gonna continue to the downside, and we basically come to 13,000 as you guys can see. Once price break out of this 13,600 reason right there, we know for sure that price will continue to the downside. But what will you do as a trader right now? What is basically going on into the market, guys? So if we talk about the fundamentals, guys, as you guys probably heard by now that there's basically a war that's going on in Russia and Ukraine. So that is basically what's causing the fear into this markets, right? So guys, I want you guys to be patient with this market for now. Let price showing us that it's willing to showing us clean structure, right? As you guys can see, price just dropping heavily, right, with this strong 4 hour engulfing candles to the downside, right? So what I basically will look out for is some form of a counter trend, right? Once I saw a counter trend on my 1 hour time frame, I will most likely take a buy position to come and test this area here at 13,600 again, because right guys, this was a heavenly drop, and price will most likely come and correct this move here to the downside for further continuation to the downside, right? As you guys could see, price did create this new low. So now we will wait for price to retrace back and test this area of 13,600 again, and eventually come and test this area here again at our 13,000, right? So this is basically what I will look out for. But instead of waiting so long for that, guys, let's wait for price to create a double bottom first, and then we can take a trading position to the upside to this area. So if we scale to 30 minutes time frame, as you guys can see, there's nothing in the market yet. We didn't even break our 30-minute lower high structure point right there. We didn't even break out of it, as you guys can see. I know a lot of you guys was buying into the market here this morning, but it's not the right opportunity to take counter trends yet. I know a lot of guys is stacking up. Okay, the price did drop heavily, so now is the time to buy. No, it's not a time to buy yet, right? So what I will wait for is for price to break out of this lower high structure point first before I will take trades to the upside, guys. So if we scale to 50 minutes time frame, what we could see is that price showing us the same picture. It wasn't able to break this lower high structure point there multiple times as well. So now we can see some continuation to the downside, guys. So guys, this is going to be a patient market. You must be patient with NAS 100 right now. So I'm basically not trading at this moment. I was basically sending out yesterday a short position once I saw price starting to create this ascending corrective formation, right? So once price starting to break this lower high, I did call shells there, but my target wasn't so far. I did only target this reason right here, right? And price did run into it, and it was around like 150 point range. Let me just see that. Yeah, was around 200 point range, guys. Sorry for that. A 200 point range, but I did call it out to my VIP groups that okay, guys, we're gonna take a short position right from there to the downside. And guys, nobody did expect this, right? If I did expect this, then I would keep my sales. But guys, I didn't. The reason for that is we were still basically trading in this descending corrective formation on a 4 hour time frame, guys, and it's highly that price would have respected this area and then continue to the upside. But with this fear into the market, the price basically starting to drop heavily to the downside. So now, guys, let's just be patient. Let's be patient with this market. I don't want you guys to take unnecessary trades and just be in a rush like, okay, I want to trade, I want to trade. No, I want you guys to be patient with it and wait for cleaner structure. The best time frame to wait for structure right now is going to be a 1 hour time frame. This is where you will get valid structure points into the market, where price will basically show you what she's trying to do, guys. So this is it for this video, guys. I'm just gonna keep you guys updated every single day with new updates, what you guys can expect on S100. As you guys can see, most of my predictions are like 80% correct, guys. So if you're new to this channel, guys, hit subscribe, and if you want to learn more, you guys can check out my free Telegram group. The link is in the description. So it's your boy King GK, yet Newtonfx Academy, and I'm out.